A cone is similar to a pyramid in that it has one base, but a cone has a circular base. So we have our circle, the radius is the distance from the center of the circle to the edge of the circle. And then your lateral surface area for your cone is like rounded, it's curved. So similar to how a cylinder's lateral surface area is curved, so is the surface lateral area of a cone. So to find the lateral surface area, we're going to use the formula pi times r, which is our radius, times L, which is the slant height. So notice we are also using the slant height for cone, just like in pyramid formula. So sometimes I might give you the height, the distance from the vertex to the center of that circular base that skewers the cone right through the middle. So sometimes you might have to do Pythagorean theorem to figure out the slant height. So we can say the height squared plus the radius squared is equal to the slant height squared. You can set up Pythagorean theorem, or you might use trig, or you might use a special right triangle. You know, if this is a right triangle, we can use all of those tools in our right triangle toolbox. So the lateral surface area is pi times the radius times the slant height. That's the curved part. And so then to get your total surface area, all you have to do is add in that circular base. Well, the area of a circle is pi r squared. So I'm just taking my lateral surface area and then I'm adding in the area of the base. If you were to take a cone and unwrap it and lay it flat, that rounded part laid out flat would look like this, almost like a triangle with a curved edge. This wraps around the circle, so it would be like that curved part and then the circular base. I want you to find the lateral and total surface area of this cone. I have my height and I have my radius, but I do not have my slant height. So I'm going to set up Pythag to find the slant height. 12 squared plus 9 squared is equal to that slant height squared. 12 squared plus 9 squared is 225. And so then you're going to take the square root of 225, height to be 15. So your lateral surface area is pi times the radius, which is 9, times the slant height, which is 15. So let's keep this in terms of pi, be 135 pi inches squared. And then to find your total surface area, you're just going to take your lateral surface area and add in that area of that circular base, so pi r squared, so pi 9 squared, which is 81 pi. So 135 pi plus 81 pi is 216 pi inches squared.